Hey, so today I want to take you with me to Dollar Tree to see what they have in new right now. When I first came in, they had some new solar lights. So this one, the stake had fell off, but they do usually have a stake on them. And I thought the little daisies were super cute, and they still have the other ones, of course. And then they were putting out the new like nautical beach kind of collection. So they had out most of the items. Only thing I couldn't find was the pillowcases. I saw those online, but they had the craft items. They have these cute little nautical pins. They like clothespins with a little nautical theme on it. These I think would be cute. You can put some signage on it with your Cricut or something and make it custom. They had those two colors. They have like nautical fabric squares. So you can create some stuff. They have these signs right here. So they had relax, they had home, and then they had love. And these like little rope signs with the backing on it. They had the little anchors here. You can see a little texture in those. So they had white, blue, and red at my Dollar Tree. They had a ton of signage. So if you're looking to do some like nautical theme stuff, you like to do beach theme things, you might want to head over to Dollar Tree and pick up some of the signage because like I said, they had a ton of signage in. They still had things in the boxes, so they're gonna come out with those beads right there, like the decor beads that you put like in bowls and stuff. These hooks, they put those out while I was still looking at the stuff. So they had the starfish and the shells in those and those prints there. But yeah, just a ton of different things. You can see the long signs, short square signs. You can just make something really nice. You can add a little extra to these. You can put them up as is. I love how they keep coming out with these for every different season and holiday now. So these have like starfish, different, nautical things on them. Like I said, just a bunch of great stuff. These little decor pieces I thought were cute with the little wooden beads and then the tassel on those. You can even color those a different color if you don't want the white, but the white and that natural color I think is a great combo. They have things for outside, so they have the little sticks for the ground. They had the whole dish set. So they had the bowl, they had the plates, they had the cups, they had the saucer plates, everything. They have the items for the kitchen, dish towels, all of those things. The charger, I think, is so pretty. It looks like kind of distressed. It has like that perfect color for like the beach thing. I love the charger. These, because we see these all the time, but now they have the little nautical tops on those. So they had different shapes in those. Little decor pieces to put on your shelves or around. You can put those on your table, different places. They had little fish. Just a ton. I love it. All of the pieces. They have soaps. They have bath bombs. These little baskets, don't they look like the baskets from Target Dollar Spot? These little rope balls with they have the dog toys that look like that, but those have the little hook on the end. So yeah, these baskets definitely are giving Target Dollar Spot, like in a smaller version. They have the diffuser scents, so you can get those 2 cents. They have little decorative plates, just so many things. They even have the little fans, paper fans that you fan yourself with. They're going to come out in different colors. Different prints with those. In the garden section, of course, they have nice garden things. They had the little mini stackable pots out again. Spring and summer colored planters. These I think are cute. So they have like a lot of little decor for the garden section and like different items. These are cute. So they have like the patriotic items coming out now. So the red, white, and blue for Memorial Day, 4th of July, all of the holidays, Labor Day. You can get your stuff now. I would get it now because no guarantee it'll be there when the time does come around. They still have Easter stuff out, so it's going to be on sale. Probably today, tomorrow, I don't know. It's going to go on sale, of course, but you can use a lot of that for spring. You can see the wood grain in that right there. This is some more of the nautical stuff, so you can do like stencils and stuff. So just imagine creating your own signs and then using the stencils. These little signs, you can make a custom sign for your laundry room, and just some more pieces that like are in the Easter section, but again, you can use it for spring. I'm wondering if the ones that don't say Easter on them, will they go on sale when the Easter items go on sale? I don't know. I'll come back in a day or two and see if they'll be on sale when those go on sale. These little pinwheel pieces I think are cute. I don't know how they all work. I'm trying to figure out how these work right here because it has like a little push top on it, and I was thinking it opened up, but it didn't open up. They have ribbons and stuff for the spring, so they had all these pretty color ribbons. They came in 9 feet. The fans again, but these are just like the regular Oriental style fans, all the reforms. They still have hearts out too. Cotton is a good way to decorate. They had a ton of these today. These have been out for a while, but they had a ton of them today. These have been out before too, but those are cute for the spring and summer. The shells and stuff, and then see these are the containers again, but they're in the regular spring colors. So yeah, you can grab a lot of things. These color combos, I don't recall these color combos with the rocks, the little greens, and then this one right here. So it's like sea glass. I thought that was cool. These we've seen, but I saw more prints today. So these are the phone holders, so you can, prop up your phone and stuff on your desk or wherever. This I thought was cute. I'm wondering, is it part of the little racks and pegboards and stuff? But it's a little holder, so you can organize all your stuff, and it has little holes in it. These right here, so they are like little magazine holders, but they fold down. The grocery list and shopping list and different things in the pretty like spring and summer like colors, especially if you like to write down things like I do. A lot of cool stuff in the crafting section. So they had this little container here. It's like a little tube, you open it up in the middle, but it says retractable. So I think you might can expand it or so. The little fabric squares, different things, like a lot of cool stuff in the crafting section, the little containers to store stuff. This is part of the Easter things, but these are so pretty. I just like those. These right here, these elastic bands, so they came in blue and they came in pink right there. The beads and the nice colors for the spring and summer season. Thought those were great. So if you're a crafter, you might want to have the crafter section and get some of these like spring and summer colored things. These little squares right here, the burlap pieces. I don't know if you've seen these. So they have the little flag shape. They have the other kind of little shape with a little peak in the middle. Another little patch square there. All of the barbecue stuff out right now. So they have all the tools you need for grilling, for outdoor cooking. This long stick here that you can get. They have the squeegee bottles, all the stuff that you need. This little loofah I thought was cute because it looks like so if you're making like a little gift basket, I think these kind of things are cute to put in a little sleeping mask. This one came with a scrunchie. The other ones I didn't see a scrunchie with, but they did have cute little sayings on those, like namaste in bed, wake me up for wine. So yeah, they had cute little sayings. These Band-Aids, they've had them for a while, but if you're looking for flesh tone Band-Aids, they only had those 2 colors, 3 colors right there. But if you're looking for flesh tone Band-Aids, they have. The beauty section is improving and getting new items every day. So they had those little attachment pieces. I have this. I didn't buy from the Dollar Tree though. I wish I would have seen it because the $1.25 and it's cheaper than what I got, and you get both sides to do your face. The little rollers, yeah, all the stuff that they're coming out with now, I'm just loving because I have a lot of these things and it could save yourself a bit of money. They had these tote bags. I don't know how sturdy they are, but they are $1.25 and they look like a big size, right? And they have cute little sayings on them. So they have different ones and they're kind of like a plasticky, like a thick plasticky kind of material. They even had little bucket hats. So they had that one with a print and then they had a solid one. So they might have other colors at your Dollar Tree. I just thought it was interesting. I never see them hang the t-shirts. When they have the t-shirts that come in, never do I see them on hangers. They usually throw them on bins like closer towards the floor. But I thought they were like special for a second. But they were just like the regular hangs and stuff that they do get in. These little bags, I thought they were cute because the little shoulder bag, because the strap does go longer, and they had those in different prints that you can get. And then the Kendall and Kylie little collection, I've been seeing a lot of these little pieces pop up too. So they had the backpacks. There today, socks. I love socks. So $1.25. You can make a cute little Father's Day gift bag, or just grab you some socks because they had a ton of different socks out right now, and these are cute. Like I love socks in spring and summer, socks in winter. I love socks any time of year. So I just think cute socks are great. These I don't recall seeing these. So these Campbell flavor ups. So they had them in 3 different ones. They had the caramelized onion, they had savory mushroom and herb, and then the other one was just like a herb. What was it? A garlic and herb. Yeah, so I don't know. I just saw those. These I just want to show them again because I'm just shocked that I waited so long and they finally are out and I'm seeing them everywhere. Mugs, we know I love Dollar Tree mugs. They have $1.25. You can't beat it. They have big mugs, cute mugs that look really cute. See, they even have monogram ones. So yeah, the glassware, they have plates and stuff. I love those. The colored glass, they had those out again. These are a hate it or love it. People say that little piece right there comes off in the dishwasher, so don't dishwash it, hand wash it if you do get it. But yeah, just a lot of different glass options out right now, and for some reason they keep putting back out Christmas and Thanksgiving options. It's so weird to me because they won't be there and then they'll be there and when I turn my back. So they have like some grad stuff, bachelorette stuff. Yeah, so if you just always check out the glass section. This is cute. I don't know if you ever seen her on YouTube. She does like bacon. So that was the first time I saw her little stuff at the Dollar Tree. Yeah, but just a lot of cute stuff in the kitchen. These came back out at my Dollar Tree because they had them before and they were gone. So these are good to pack snacks and stuff for the kids, especially like right now when you're traveling and doing different things. These placemats I think are cool. They like nice and thin. The little lemon collection, I think that's great for the kitchen. And then these bottle tops, so you can make anything into a spray bottle. I thought that was cool. So you might want to head over.